In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new blog in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to fill in, so your new blog is ready to go. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar and open the official HubSpot website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have the permissions to manage website content. If your organization uses extra security, follow any prompts to complete sign-in. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, look toward the top navigation bar and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where all of your website configuration lives, so it's the right place to set up your blog from the ground up. In the left sidebar of the settings page, find and click Content. This section groups together your website and blog tools, making it easy to keep everything consistent with your brand. Within Content, choose Blog. This takes you to the blog management area where existing blogs are listed and new ones can be created. Here, you'll be able to control high-level blog settings separate from individual posts. Click Create a new blog. This opens a simple setup panel that walks you through the basics needed to get your blog established. Enter your blog name. Pick a clear, descriptive name that reflects your brand or the type of content you'll publish. This name can appear in certain templates and internal lists, so keep it concise and recognizable. You can adjust it later if your branding evolves. Next, select your blog language. Choose the primary language your audience reads. This helps HubSpot handle elements like date formats and search engine signals correctly, and it lays the groundwork if you plan to localize content in the future. Now, enter a blog meta description. Think of this as a short summary that can appear in search results. Aim for a human-friendly sentence of about 150 to 160 characters, highlight your value, and naturally include a primary keyword. Avoid stuffing keywords. Clarity and relevance are what drive clicks. When everything looks right, click Create. HubSpot will generate the blog structure so you can begin customizing your design and creating posts. You've completed the essential setup, and your new blog is officially in place. That's it. Quick, clean, and ready for content. If you found this helpful, keep going by drafting your first post and aligning your visuals so your blog looks great from day one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.